Hi friends, in this video I will give you a simple script. You will copy and paste, do some tweaks, and then you can create any AI tool you want. Before we start, in case you're a beginner here, in just 30 seconds, let me explain the structure of a basic AI tool. Let's say you want to create a tool like this one here, the blog title generator tool. So step one, the user will enter an input. Let's say digital marketing. And by the way, you will build this tool now in this video in less than 2 minutes. You will see how easy it is. Anyway, so the user, step one, the user will enter a topic here in this box, and then he clicks on this button. And you can see we got some title ideas. So what's happening in the back end, the structure behind this tool, we have this topic, it's being inserted into a prompt, and this prompt is being sent to OpenAI API, generating the titles, and then we will get back from the API a structured response, an organized, what we call JSON response. If you go here and open more tools, developer tools, and to see what's behind this tool, you will see here we have an object, and we have the result, and we have the titles here. So we have a structured response coming from OpenAI, and then simply we can create a user interface, a simple user interface based on that output. This is how the tool works. This is how any AI tool works. We have an interface communicating with language model, usually OpenAI. We get back a JSON response, and we create the result, the output, based on this JSON structured response. Okay, it looks easy, but we have one main problem. Let me explain. Here's ChatGPT, and if we go here and enter this prompt, for example, let's say this basic prompt, generate titles for a blog about, and you enter the topic here, whatever topic you want. So going back to our tool, the topic is being replaced here in this prompt, and this prompt is going to OpenAI, and we get back the response. So let's say here digital marketing, and let's say here generate 5 titles. Look at this. What we are getting is a sentence, a text. Sure, here are 5 blog titles, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If you go again and run the same prompt, now with another topic, let's say email marketing. Now it will tell you certainly here are 5 blog titles. So each time we have different response, different structure. And this will never work with tools, with user interfaces. We want consistent responses always coming out from the AI. Now to fix this problem and return always consistent structured JSON response, we have different techniques and methods like something called function chaining, function calling. I explained all these techniques in my prompt engineering course. If you're interested, you can check it out. But today in this video, I want to make things simple for you. I want to give you a ready-made solution just so you can copy and paste and use directly to build AI tools fast. So what I did is I created this simple script for you. It's super basic. Here you replace the input you want. For example, in our case, our topic, digital marketing, email marketing, dog training, whatever you want. And here you can enter your own prompt. Here I'm using a basic prompt, generate 5 blog titles for a video about a certain input. And here you can enter your model. In my case, I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo. You can use GPT 4, whatever you want. And that's it. Now, if you run this simple script, you just go here and say Python and app.py. You can see we get a JSON structured consistent response. Always. Again, run. Different titles, but consistent JSON response. So this will make your life a lot easier. You just need to replace here and turn this into any AI tool you want. By the way, the full code, the full guide, step by step how to run this, all will be linked in the description below. But please now focus with me 2 minutes to help you build a user interface, a UI for this tool. So now we have our consistent response, we solve the main problem, and now we can build any AI tool and get the response. How we can turn this into a user interface, how we can turn this into an online tool. Let me share with you 2 methods. The first one is using ChatGPT and Streamlit. What you will do simply, let me go to my premium prompts library here and search for Streamlit. Also get the prompt here for free from my premium library. I will keep in the description below also. I will copy it. You just need to copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it here, and then instead of your input script, you just need to enter the script here. Copy the full script and paste here. And by the way, this works for almost any Python script. You can turn it from a simple script to a full user interface with a Streamlit and this power prompt. Let's run. And now ChatGPT using my power prompt will go step by step and turn this into a user interface explaining every single detail for beginners. You can see we have a lot of comments here and descriptions and details, explanations. You will see now, just wait a little bit. So we have the full code for the UI, just copy it and go back to your solution, create a new file and paste the code here, just save it. And now, again, I told you in the description below, we have the full guide, what to do exactly for beginners. What I'm going to do now is to run using Streamlit. Streamlit run ui.py for the Python script, enter, and let's see now the magic. And this is our blog title generator, an online tool. If you go here and say Facebook ads, anything you want, generate titles, now it's running. Let's wait a little bit, and here we are, the generated titles. We turn this into an online tool in seconds with the help of ChatGPT and the power prompt that you can get for free from the description below. And by the way, we can now start building AI tools like this one and more complex tools with Streamlit and start selling them. This is a new niche in freelancing and still new, so maybe you have an opportunity. I explained all this in my full course. Again, if you like to learn more about this and go step by step from scratch, you can check it on my website. Now maybe you tell me, I don't want to use Streamlit, I want to build something like yours, like your website, like this one here or the other tools you are building. On WordPress, you are building AI tools like these. Maybe you want to build something similar and monetize even with the points system like I do. So you can turn your WordPress website into a SaaS. You can see here people can buy points and use my tools. By the way, also if you are interested in learning how I build the points system and how I turned my